Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we're going to be changing the fuel pump on my 96 Chevrolet Camaro with the 3.8. Bienvenidos, ahora vamos a cambiar la bomba de gasolina en mi Camaro 96 con el 3.8. Soy David, el director de este canal. I am David. I'm the director of this channel. So welcome back. It's been a while, but I'm here. So I decided to drill some holes on the sheet metal of the trunk because it's easier to cut straight lines when you have a circular hole under. So empecé a hacerle hoyos con una broca porque es más fácil cortar la lámina con las líneas de rectas y es más fácil, más que este es mi Camaro. So lo más fácil es cambiar la bomba de gasolina por atrás, como lo estoy haciendo, lo estoy cortando porque no quiero bajar el tanque de gasolina, no quiero quitar el muffler, no quiero quitar el diferencial atrás, nomás por la bomba. So the reason I'm doing this because I don't want to remove the gas tank, I don't want to remove the rear differential, the exhaust, everything away just to drop the gas tank to finally remove the fuel pump. So this is much easier, and yes, believe it or not, it is much easier than doing all that because you could always run into broken bolts, you could always break them, and frustration will go higher. So I took this approach. So I would say don't try this at home because you are going to be doing sparks. You know, you grind metal, you cut, you're going to be playing with sparks, and you're going to have the gas tank right there. So you always have to use safety precautions because, you know, things could happen real quick. So that's what I did. I have the blankets, I have everything. I have a fan on, all the wind, or I don't want to catch fumes because one sparks in the fumes and pretty much you're a goner. So ten que estarte cuidado porque no quiero que vayas a causar un daño o lastimarte porque va a estar jugando o va a estar cortando la lámina y va a salir ahí las chispas y ahí está el tanque de gasolina y bastante cosas pueden pasar. Por favor, alguien que sea alguien que va a hacer el trabajo, alguien especialista, no quiero que te vas a dañar o causar un daño. Welcome back to the channel. This is Hard2 Engine. Today I have a small problem. You guys know I had this Camaro for many years, 12 years to be exact, and every day I think it's cursed, some type of voodoo. I'm just tired of it. You know, I got the engine rebuilt, transmission rebuilt. You can find that video and the playlist of this car. So yeah, it's pretty much it. You know, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. If you're getting married, congratulations. If you're getting divorced, congratulations. So let's get to the video. So I did measure perfectly here to cut. You know, if you have a convertible, this is the convertible 96. You have the fuel pump right here. I know many people are asking, why you didn't drop the fuel tank? I'm just too tired to drop it. You know, I wasn't really thinking of replacing the fuel pump. It still works, but almost going to 30 years old. Might as well have to change at some point. So they replaced that little rubber piece right there. This one, you know, is cracking, brittle. I try to see like a little window, but there's part of the structure there, which I'm not really want to mess with. This part of the structure, so I'm gonna just leave it how it is. I'm gonna build some type of plate to cover this up. So now I gotta follow where these hoses leading to, because there's a hose down there with the evap canisters that was never connected, and I had these issues. So yeah, let's say this is day one of this. Cool. One year has passed, not because, you know, I didn't know how to change the fuel pump, but because life happens. I had to move, and pretty much everything you could think of, and probably could have happened. But here I am, continuing with the fuel pump. So I got the fuel pump for my righties. Cost me about $200. It's an easy job, but it's done. Currently doing it, and you're gonna see I had to cut again because, you know, the hole, you know, it wasn't wide enough. I couldn't tilt it. Once you remove the fuel pump, you're gonna have to like put it in an angle and take it out. And same way you take it out, you have to put it in. Pasó un año, no porque no supe cambiar la pompa de gasolina, más porque me moví, cosas pasan en la vida y ahora ya estoy de regreso. So, aquí estoy otra vez. Esta vez la pompa de gasolina no está atornillada. So, ten bien cuidado con las chispas porque una chispa y bye bye. So, gracias por ver el video. Gracias por la paciencia. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for the patience. Here we go.